Okay, we are back again, and as you can see, we're talking about 50% of a whole. And so when we have that, that gives us this, that tips us off that we need to divide by 2. So when they say 1 cup is 8 ounces, what is 50% of a cup? We divide 8 by 2, that equals 4. So we know that half of 8 ounces is 4 ounces. Now, I want you to take a moment and complete the 21 through 24, and then we will do them together, okay? So once you've paused, then come back, and here we go. 1 dozen eggs is, okay, here we go. How many eggs is 50% of a dozen? First off, we need to get some information. We know that 1 dozen eggs is 12 eggs. And we know that half of 12 eggs, here we're going to say 12 divided by 2 is 6 eggs. How many minutes is half of an hour? We know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. Half of 60 minutes is 30 minutes. So that's 50% of an hour. How much money is 50% of 100? Half of 100 of half of $10. Half of $10 is $5. So that is 50%. How many hours is 50% of a day? We know that 1 day is 24 hours. Half of 24 hours is 12 hours. And there we have it. See, I'm just looking. It looks like we are all set. Hey, thank you. Be on the lookout for percentages. You will find them everywhere. And once you get an idea of what it means, then you can see how people use them in describing how people did, how we did on our tests, how many people voted, how many people attended specific events. So be on the lookout, and when we meet, I want to hear what you've seen. Take care.